This is a test I joined, added on more coax. The TV used to be over here, so the coax only came down to there, basically. So I added on more coax. I had no connectors, so gently cut the wire there, gently cut the wire there, then you get white. So then you gently snip around the white, pull the white back, same with this end. Then you're down to the 2 metal or 2 copper wire. So you twist like in a cross, like that. So you twist it and keep twisting. So it forms like a nut thing, just to secure it. Then the excess wire, you get your wee snippers, snip it off. Then you get your, where is it? Insulating tape. It's around there somewhere, fuck's sake. Insulating tape. Put some insulating tape round it. Make sure you can't pull the copper wires apart. So make sure it's secure that way. Then insulate it. Then you have your like tin foil and more wire. So you pull the tin foil up from both ends. So tin foil from this end, tin foil from this end. Wrap it all round. The silver wire as well you'll have. Wrap it round tight. Make sure it's all just around where the copper wire is. You get the adjust. Then again, more insulating tape. Make sure you put it enough on down so there's no silver tin foil or silver wire showing at each end, as you can see. Then you get the connector. Again, strip it back. You just unscrew here, basically. This is a better idea. Right. Here's one here. So you put it down in, right. Put that down in like that, right. Put, there should be another wee bit, yeah. This wee bit here. Right, this is where the wire's going to come out through. So you put it. Hang on. Right, put it in there. Right, the wire at the end of this, you push it down. So you do, with a wee white connector thing. Then secure this bit. Then tighten it all up. Then into the back of your TV. If I can find that. In back of the TV. This is the test. Where's my remote? Remote. Don't know why the DVD came on. DVD, no. Digital, no. Right. Picture.
The award-winning Kia electrified range. Take the lead. Drive electrified.
Right.
Movement that inspires. You're not going to believe this, Mo. What?
Right. Where is that? Return. Right. Back. Exit. Right. Right, here we go, folks. This is the test. Well, I'm getting a picture. So BBC 1. No. BBC 1.
It has been just a breath of fresh air.
Yep. Picture's fantastic. BBC 2. 3.
It was a beautiful day for everybody.
Football. 4.
Growing up.
5.
What bed you away this winter with up to 50% off?
I'm going up the stations to let you see. Quest. This is just basically folks on Freeview. So it is. Let's see, 4. Film 4. 4+1. But anyway, yes, folks. If you have no
Plus, you can delay the pay.
connectors, if you have no connectors, basically that is the simple way to do it. But whenever you're joining the 2 copper wires, make sure there's no, the tin foil or the silver wires isn't entwined in the copper wire. Because you'll just destroy the coax. So you strip it back, the white bar, fuck's sake, hang on, the white, cut nice and easy, pull it back, then you'll be left with white. Do the same at this end, then cut round nice and easy, pull the white off, then you'll see on both ends, you'll see the 2 copper wires then. Join them, installate them up, then pull back the silver foil and the grey wire, wrap that all round secure, then installate and make sure, as you can see, you have insulated. There's nothing at all shown. And wham bam, thank you, ma'am. But yep, now I'll tack this all in under here. I didn't bring my ladders up, so I'll just tack it all in under here. But there's plenty there if I need to move it. So I'll get the wire all tacked up, and then that's the bedroom double glazed. I'll get the bedroom all double, add a few extra there. I'll get it all tacked up, and then what was that? Get it all tacked up, and then get the old PC and all up and running. Now that I've the TV sorted. So 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 things, and then job done. Sorting this TV out. If I don't do it myself, it's not going to be done.